Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix sorry something went wrong, please try again on your Facebook. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you're facing the Facebook sorry something went wrong, please try again on your Facebook, you are unable to log in, then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this, you have to check first whether your net connection is working properly or not. For that, you have to just once enable the flight mode and disable it again. After that, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Or else, just restart your phone and check. After restarting phone, maximum issue will be resolved. After trying all these options, still your issue doesn't resolve, then try the third option. Just go to settings, scroll down, tap on the apps, tap on see all apps, search for Facebook, tap on this Facebook. Once tap on storage, tap on clear cache, then go back, open the Play Store, search for Facebook. If your Facebook app is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do, you have to just log out your Facebook app and log in again. Just open your Facebook app, tap on your Facebook profile icon, scroll down. In last you can see logout. Just tap on that logout and your Facebook account will be logged out. Then try to log in again. After login, still you are facing the issue, then you have to check Facebook server is working properly or not. For that, you have to just open your browser, then search for down detector website. Just tap on this down detector. Then here you need to find whether Facebook is listed in this or not. If Facebook is listed in this, then there is a Facebook server issue. You have to wait for some time. After that, the issue will be resolved automatically. After waiting for some time, still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do, you have to just contact to the phone. You have to just contact to the Facebook customer care. You will get contact details on Facebook website. Just collect the contact details from there and contact to Facebook support. That's it guys. So this way you can fix sorry something went wrong, please try again on your Facebook. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.